What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Just want to immerse yourself in more politics? Well, I found the perfect game for you, and I found a perfect game for two people here. Now, Hillary wouldn't play this game with me. She thinks this game is flawed. But it's called the Electoral College Combat, and it's a card game, and I think it's just for two people. It's not overly thoughtful. I want to say I feel like it's kind of like rock, paper, scissors for two people. But I am going to go ahead and read these instructions, and then you and I are going to play it. All right, so the object of this game is to amass enough electoral votes to win the presidency. You don't want to come in second on this particular game. There are 50 state cards. So Utah has 6 electoral college votes. Utah and Virginia and Vermont, and we got them all there. So we have 50 of those, and we also have a Washington, D.C. Not sure where it is, but it's in here somewhere. So there's actually 51 of those cards. Then, oh look, we get the instructions on a card here. Oh, there's a little key for all the votes. Then we also have some wild cards, which are celebrity endorsement, Russia collusion, fake news, recounts, and swing states. And so what you do here is you shuffle everything up, and then you and your opponent will each get half of the deck, 28 total cards. So you will start with 2 hands. Then you're each going to take your stack, and you're also going to lay out 5 cards. Now, your opponent will go first and roll one of his cards. In this case, it's Wyoming, 3 electoral college votes, and then I will roll one. Oh, and it's New Mexico with 5, which means now I actually get to take this card. Oh, yeah, and one of the face-down cards. Booyah! And look at that. West Virginia, another 5 points. Pretty awesome. All right. So then we just keep going. Ooh, 10. That's going to be a tough one to beat. Come on, California. Oh, Colorado with 9. So not only does he get my 9, but he gets another card. Oh, 15. That was brutal. That was brutal. So then I roll 1, 14. He rolls 1, 10. Yes, I get that one. But then I also get this one. Booyah. 4. So, and then since I think I won, I take the last card anyway. And now we deal another 5 and keep on going until someone has 270 votes. Pretty clever. If you want to pick this up because you want to celebrate the Electoral College, have a little fun with one other person. It's a good game. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.